Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AVXL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the crazy day-to-day, price all over the place, and now that the dust has settled, really two main technical levels that really stand out. So my goal here is just to apply the KISS method here, keep it simple, stupid, and that way from the technical point of view, going into Friday, there's going to be the two areas that, really stand out from the technical point of view. And the first level is the level of support that I think a lot of people will be watching, and that area is right here at 405. And I mention a lot of people because when you do have lots of people watching the same areas and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have here. Again, it's not a guarantee of anything, but my point here is it's a more than valid thought to have that if the price does decide to work its way down here and then break to the downside, that could create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. Now, again, not a guarantee, but a rational thought to have because, again, you're going to have so many people watching that area. On the flip side of things, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, it's all about these two moving averages, which in fact are hard to see because they're valued at the exact same thing. But if you look really closely, you have the pink line, which is the 200-period moving average. You have the purple line, which is the 50-period moving average. Both very, very significant levels within the world of technical analysis. In fact, if you have just a very basic, a very surface-deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-period and the 50-period moving average. And you know that when the price is down below, they tend to act as resistance. And that's what's going on here. Both those values are at $4.46. So really going forward, it's as simple as that. You have key level of support at 405, key level of resistance up there at 446. And like the level of support, not a guarantee, but logical to think that if the price gets up there and breaks through those levels, that could create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So definitely keep your eye on those two areas moving forward, but we'll see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.